Welcome to Chuck Builds. I'm just doing a little update on something I'm switching up around the house when it comes to my smart home, and that is replacing my TP-Link Kasa outdoor smart plug. That is about $25, and I've had it for about 2 years, and it's been pretty good, but I've been having some issues lately with it disconnecting from the Wi-Fi or being unavailable, even though it says it's connected. I don't really blame it because it's been out in the weather for 2 years and direct sunlight as hot as 110 and in the snow when it's below freezing or close to zero. And so overall, I can't knock this too hard. It's been fine until about now. And one of the things when I'm considering a replacement is that I don't like it going out to a third-party server, that there's a connection to someone else's server, that I have to keep the internet up, I've got to keep it connected to Wi-Fi, and it's just kind of slow. The way that I use this is with my security camera using Frigate. When it detects a person, it turns on a light, and then my lights in the backyard turn on. And when thinking of an alternative, I couldn't find a good Zigbee outdoor plug. On the Zigbee2MQTT website for known devices, there was one that looked like it'd be a good fit, but I couldn't find it for sale anywhere. And when I was searching forums and Reddit posts of a Zigbee outdoor outlet, the consensus seems to be of getting an outdoor weatherproof electronics box, an extension cord, and a Zigbee smart plug. So I've got here a Sonoff S31 that you can buy for about 10 bucks on Amazon, or S31 Lite, which is Zigbee. I've got a cheap extension cord, outdoor rated, for about 7 bucks. And then I've got this box that was about $12 or $13. So far, I've been really happy with it. It's been way quicker than the TP-Link Kasa. I like that it's not on Wi-Fi, and I like that this box is kind of up and out of the way and seems to be very watertight. It seems pretty robust, and I also like that I can control the length of the pigtail with the extension cord that I order. Overall, I've only been using it for a few weeks now, but I'm really happy with it. It was about $7 more than buying a TP-Link Kasa, and I'm hopeful it lasts longer. Overall, it's definitely not a one-to-one comparison, primarily on the size, and then the cost for a few dollars more is kind of annoying as well. I really am surprised there's not a better solution for a Zigbee outdoor plug. But so far, I like it, and I thought I would share that this is something I've got going on. It's faster. I wish I could say it's cheaper, but it's not. But it is all local, and it strengthened my Zigbee connection to my garage that's detached. So I've got a little bit better signal for all the items out here by having this in between the house and the garage. If you have any questions or comments, definitely let me know below. I just thought this was something a little different, and maybe someone's in the same situation as me and trying to figure out a good alternative to their dying Kasa products. Thanks for watching.